Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Juke versus the Renault Captur. We'll start by looking at their exterior designs. The Juke stands out with its unique, sporty lines and distinctive lighting, appealing to those who prefer a bolder look. In contrast, the Captur presents a smoother, more refined profile, often seen as more broadly appealing. Both vehicles offer various two-tone paint options, allowing for significant personalization to match your taste. Next, let's step inside and explore the interiors. The Nissan Juke's cabin often feels more compact and driver-centric, with a sporty feel and quality materials. The Renault Captur, however, typically provides a more airy and spacious environment, especially for rear passengers, and often includes clever storage solutions. Both models come equipped with touchscreens, smartphone integration, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced safety and convenience. Now, let's discuss how these compact SUVs perform. The Nissan Juke is often praised for its agile handling and a more dynamic, engaging ride, making it fun on winding roads. The Renault Captur, however, typically offers a softer suspension, providing a more comfortable and relaxed driving experience, especially in urban settings. Both vehicles offer a range of efficient engines, including turbocharged petrol and, in some markets, hybrid options. Finally, let's consider practicality and overall value. The Captur generally offers more boot space and slightly better rear passenger legroom, making it a strong contender for families. The Juke, while stylish, might feel a bit tighter in these areas. Both cars offer competitive fuel economy and running costs, making them economical choices. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize bold style and a sporty drive or comfort and practicality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.